Okay, so
Mohit, I
I
have
will.
started.
Oh, thank you. So just I'm not sharing my screen, so you guys can continue. Okay, so first question is your tell me about yourself. So this question I will ask, any session, every session, right? So as per suggested in the last session, you guys can go ahead. Anyone want to go? Tell me about yourself. If you having the you know more than if you are going as a fresher or experience more than 10 year 15 years, so first question is your tell me about yourself. Okay, anyone can start. And
So,
yeah, Ankur, you can start. Okay, so
okay, so myself, Ankur, I am from Uttarakhand and I am working in XYZ company. I have 9 years of experience and currently I'm working as a QA lead in my organization, and I have 3 years plus experience in automation testing, and currently I'm handling the more than 15 people team. Um, yeah.
mhm. Okay, anyone others can start. Shalini, you can go ahead. Okay, so just pick up the point. Okay, that's it. You can pick the point and you can speak. So I told you, right, day by day we can improve ourselves. Are you there? Shalini, are you there?
Mohit, no.
I think she left. Okay, so no,
Yeah.
who is there? They can start.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, go
I'll
ahead.
start.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Um, Firstly, hi to all, and there will be the second line. Thank you to all to giving such a an opportunity to give to introduce myself. Firstly, I'll talking about my qualification. I completed my highest qualification, BTech from the West Bengal University of Technology. Um, uh, I completed my BTech in electrical engineering. After completion of my engineering, I joined a company that is XYZ company. I worked for this company for 2 years as a project coordinator. As a project coordinator, I worked my responsibility was following. That is a that is a following.
Mm-hmm.
And give me a minute. And my work was like maintaining and monitoring project plan and project schedules, work hours, budget and expenditure, and documenting and following up on important action and decision from meeting, preparing necessary presentation material for meeting, ensuring project deadline are met, determining project changes. There are so many work as a project coordinator. Firstly, I want to say, and but I'm seeing my future in IT. I'm seeing my future in IT, and I'm good at Java. And I choose this profession. I want to change my profession, and I choose this profession because this is my aim to achieve good position in IT, and that I work for and gain knowledge and improve my skills. And my hobbies are listening to music, watching movies, photography, and editing pictures, and social networking. My strengths are I have like creativity and in inventive ideas, and I like to learn new things, self motivation, hard working, problem solving, and team working. My long term goal is to achieve a good position in an organization that I work for. Thank you. That's all about me.
Anyone others people are there also? No, right? I think you two guys are there. I have anyone others is there, then you can go ahead or I will continue. See, in the last time I have suggested you guys, but you did not follow. Again, I will suggest you until unless you will not become the perfect. Okay. So I having the one tips for you. Okay, this is your first question will decide your 50% selection. That is called your tell me about yourself. First impression is the last impression, and this question will decide you how much you are good in the technical, how much you having the, real time experience, how much everything, right? So this is your first question. And when you are, when you wake up early morning, speak one time daily, tell me about yourself. Okay, what I'm going to tell you, I applied myself. That experience I'm going to discuss to you guys. Okay, so first, if you will wake up, listen my video, note down all the point, tell me about yourself. What is my point? I'm trying to, you know, tell you what you have to speak, right? So that thing you have to, write all the point. Okay, so this is your first question. Will decide your next steps. If you giving your introduction, as per expected, common introduction, right? Common introduction, what the, people are looking for, okay, as experienced. Okay, so main agenda is, Sandhya, you have to pick up automation profile work. Got it, right? So I know, just you can write down the things, okay, if you are not able to. So when you wake up early morning, speak one time, tell me about yourself. Daily you have to speak, okay. So if someone will ask, tell me about yourself, Ankur, you are the lead, right? Test lead. So your roles and responsibility little bit higher, okay.
Yeah.
So you can add that part also, okay. Your leading part you can add it, and what you can add,
Mhm.
you can add also, I am also working some part for the our project. Technically, I am also working. Got it, right? For
Okay.
automation part, you have to highlight. You are
Okay.
handling the 15 team member. Yes, I am handling over there the 15 team members, but my also technical work is also there. So you can add this point. No, then what will happen? This is your,
Mhm.
very good, and in front of the people can understand you have, leading quality and technical also. Got it, right?
Okay.
So this thing you
Okay.
have to, so whatever your technical, your leading work is there, you can write over there one part. So first you have to explain that part, okay. Your roles and responsibility, your my
Mhm.
roles and responsibility in my current project. I'm leading the 15 team member, and whatever your team leading work. And apart from
Mhm.
that, I am also working on the my current project for automating some test cases.
Okay.
That is the your positive point, right? Got it,
Okay.
right? So, so what you have to highlight? So what you can see, day by day we can improve. Even when I was just started, you know, attending the interview, I have attended many interview because I don't have any guidance. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's why the guidance is very important. Your technical part, that is fine, but
Mhm.
guidance is very important. What you have to speak, right? So tell me about yourself. First, your name. Where are you from? I have completed my profession degree. Okay, about my professional career, right? So first you will go in the any interview, shake hand with the interviewer. That is the very good impression. Shake hand with the
Okay.
interviewer. Okay, so and you have always a smiley face. In what happened in the interview doesn't matter. The people are looking for that, uh, if you have some problem, you're not speaking. So if you will go any interview, good a smile with good a smile, doesn't matter if you will select or not, but you having the positive impression, and you can shake with hand with your interviewers. Okay, that is very good impression for your first meet. Then they will ask, can you tell me about yourself? Hi, this is Mohit. I am from Bihar. I have done BTech from West Bengal University. And about my professional career, I having a 6 year of experience in the testing profile. And currently I am working in XYZ company. About my relevant experience, I worked 3 year in manual testing and 3 year in automation testing. About my skill, I'm good in core Java, Selenium WebDriver, manual testing, having the basic knowledge of DevOps and API testing as well. About my current roles and responsibility in this project, so I'm working as a completely in automation part in my project. So be having the existing framework in my organization. So be so in my framework, so be having the some component. So I was not involved from the scratch level for the developing of the framework, but I was in the middle of this project. So I have, I have added few part of the, in my framework also. So whatever the manual test cases I'm getting, first we need to understand the manual part and end-to-end flow. Then second part, I have to automate that test cases by using the framework. I am using hybrid framework in my framework. So this is your work. Okay, I did not teach you the framework, but day by day, you can, when I will teach you, you will get more clarity. So in my framework, we having the some component. So we have a page object model, we have a helper class, right? And what else, be having the uh, log4j, and be having the uh, extend report. So what actually in this project I'm going to do here, so inside this helper class, I have also created some reusable method. So inside this reusable method, be having the, how to handle the drop down, how to handle the action class, how to handle the radio button. This is the part I try to make the reusable method while automating this script. This is the one part. When I'm getting any new steps, then I have to create a reusable method. And second core part is this, to automate the test cases in the page object model. I am creating, uh, you know test. I am finding the element as per the test cases in using page object model, and I'm creating the method. I do not teach you page object model, so don't worry about that. Coming session, day by day, you will also get all the idea about of that. So as per the test steps, I'm creating the page object model, and after creating this, I have to execute that method using the test runner class. So first part is I develop the script. After that, I have to execute end to end. If everything is fine, then I have to send to my report to my lead or senior people who is having in my project. So if everything is look, then I will close the test cases. So this is my day-to-day activity while working in my project. So this is my roles and responsibility. That's all about myself. In the last session, I did not explain little bit different, right? So if we will speak more and more, no, so new things will come, and we have to explain the framework, because this framework I am not exploring right now. Okay, I'll tell you this framework component. uh, we have to speak about what is page object model, what is helper class, and we have used testng features, we have used xml file. This thing we already know. As per the project requirement, I have also executed the batch execution, parallel execution, grouping execution, right? So this thing we have to speak also. So that point will come when you will do the practice. Okay, so this is, just note down all the point how I am speaking. Every day you can speak. First impression is your last impression. Second real time interview question is, what is your day to day activity? I will come on the technical part. So be having the some collection of real time interview question. Then people are also asking, many people, the people who is following my YouTube channel, they are asking, can you uh, explain some real time interview question? So these are the real time interview question. What is your day to day activity? Yeah, you can speak, right? Whatever you have, you can speak, no problem. Then I will guide you. Day to day activity, I already discuss you guys. Ankur, you can go ahead. Are you there?
Yeah, Mohit, sorry, I was on mute.
Oh, no problem, no problem.
Yeah. So, my day-to-day activity is to create the traceability metrics and creating the test plans and test strategies.
Okay. I think you guys only. So what is the day to day activity? I'll tell you. As a automation test engineer 4 to 5 year, so be having the one a sprint, that a sprint having the 2 week for the one a sprint. So as per the sprint, I'm getting the task, and
Yes,
be having, hello, yes. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, yes, Mohit. I think I was dropped off.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, sorry. Okay.
No
Yeah, Mohit,
problem.
please, you can, please.
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. I think Sandhya is there.
Yes, Babe.
I think you are only there, right?
I think. Yes.
Yeah. So what I can do?
Um,
Can I stop this?
I think that will
Razor.
be.
Okay, then I'm going to stop because the people are not there. Okay, so I'll
Mohit,
stop.
I'm here.
Oh, you are there. I thought you are going to drop off.
No. Actually, my net was gone, so that's
Oh, okay,
why
okay, okay, okay.
my voice is not
Oh, okay,
audible.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, no problem. So, what is the day-to-day activity? So, in my organization, having the sprint, right? A sprint. So, every sprint having the 2 week task. So, what will happen? Whatever the task they have assigned to, we have to work on it. So, we having the daily status call, that is called a Scrum call. So, having the one daily status call. So, as per what I have done in day to day, like how many test cases you have automated, so as per we have to update in the scrum, and as per the deadline we have to complete our task. If you having the any challenges, then we have to discuss on the our scrum call. So the day-to-day activities, same thing. I'm getting the manual test cases, and we need to understand what is manual scenario like end-to-end. I have mostly automate the end-to-end test cases, and I need to automate as per our framework. And if I have you know lesser steps, so I can automate 2 test cases per day. If you having the bigger steps like 30 to 40 30 steps or 40 steps of the test cases, so one test cases I can automate, but sometime it will take more than one day also to automating the per test cases. If I'm getting the less, then I can automate 3 test cases per day. So this is my day to day activity. Okay, so you can add same, Ankur, you can
Okay.
add same with your
Yeah.
your lead work and your
Okay.
technical work. Got it right?
Okay. Okay.
In day to
So
day
I will.
activity also you can add it, your lead work
Okay.
also and your technical work also.
Okay. So I will go through like this. After the I have told the experience of my manual, then I will go with the automation with three
Yes,
years of
yeah,
experience, and
yes,
then I have also, yeah, okay, yeah, I'm also handling the team of 15 peoples in manual in for manual peoples, and I'm also working in technical part as well, right,
yes,
to automate
yes,
the test cases. Okay,
yes,
okay,
yes. So that is very good. Your the people are looking like the in an organization like that. If you have the
okay.
team lead quality, that is very positive point for you. And if you are also good in the sound in the technical,
Mm-hmm.
excellent. Okay. And one more thing, you what you are speaking, speak full boldly. It doesn't matter what you are speaking. Okay. So speak with be confident.
Okay.
What you are doing, it is wrong, right? It doesn't care.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Got it right? So what you are speaking, manual or wrong and right, it should
Mm-hmm.
be confident.
Okay.
Okay. So third
Okay.
question is, what the challenges you have faced in your current project? Like I asked you question, you have to give the answer. Okay. And what you are speaking, it is wrong, it is right, it doesn't matter. How your confidence, that is matters. Okay. So this is your, if you are working as a technical lead or manual
Yeah.
test cases, just what you have challenges you have faced in your project. So what is your answer?
So, yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. So, sometimes the client changes the requirement very frequently, and so to So after when we are about to complete our testing and releasing the build, then the requirement has been changed. So to again, then it's very difficult to pick the regression test cases is from the changes point of view. And this is the main challenge which I have faced, and updating the test plan accordingly. So these are the points.
Okay. Sandhya, you can tell me what is your challenge in your current project? What you are working, you can tell that project also, no problem. She is not there or she left.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm here. Bhaiya.
You can go ahead. What is your
Yeah.
what the challenge? What is your challenges in
Um,
your current project?
like I had work as a project coordinator, but presently I'm in IT and I'm working as a desktop supporter engineer. Then what should I tell? I'm little confused.
Okay, no problem. If you are doing the practice for the Selenium, while doing the practice, what the challenges you have faced?
Like in present, I'm unable to understand the Selenium very well, so I cannot say I'm facing so much problem because I have a lot problem to understand that language.
Okay, no problem. Leave it. Okay, that part, leave it. So, as a automation tester, what the challenges will come in your project? So, most challenging thing in our project, if you having the dynamic element while finding your element, if your application having the dynamic application, right? So, most challenging, the pain of the automation test engineer to finding the dynamic element which is present on the web page, that we are finding the locators, right? So this is the first challenges. Okay, then I faced the many challenge while working in our current project. So this is the most challenging work. While execution, developing a script is not a big deal, but while executing a script, I'm getting many challenges while executing of the script. So I'm getting many exception while handling this. So frequent exception, I got it, no such element. So no such element, I am getting the frequently this exception. So I always find the solution also. Whatever the challenge I faced, I always find the solution. Like I can give you one example of no such element exception. So sometime what will happen, our XPath is not, or duplicates XPath is there, or XPath is not written correctly, then that time no such element exception will come. And apart from that, so what is the solution for that? Again, I will find the unique XPath and I will try to do that. Sometime what will happen? Still, it is not working in my script. Then, so another big challenge is your synchronization, problem in a script. So synchronization problem is the big challenge in your in automation. But I always get the solution also while handling the wait statement, right? So in Selenium, we having the implicit wait, explicit wait, and sometime for testing purpose, I'm using thread.sleep, but not for regular. So, so if you, I handle many exception by using this wait statement, explicit wait, and uh, implicit wait. So these are the most challenging I faced in my project, and sometimes be having the end-to-end scenario. So my application is little bit complicated. So sometimes we need to also handle the window based application. That is when I'm doing the end-to-end. So sometimes we need to find solution how to automate that window based. So I have also written some auto IT script file automating this window based application. Okay, so these are the few challenges I have faced, but I always found the solution. So this point you have to add. Ankur, you have to add this point. Okay, your automation part, you
Okay.
can pick my words and you can add it. And your manual is also you can add it, and your automation will also you can add it. So your profile will become perfect. Got it,
Okay.
right? Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
So another test cases, another question is how many test cases you have automate per day. It depend upon the test cases. We cannot tell I am automating 4 and 5 test cases. I cannot tell I can automate only one test cases. So your answer is it depend upon totally the test cases. Some test cases is very lengthy, like we having the more step, more than 20 and 25 steps. Some test cases having the only 10 and 15 steps. So I can automate 3 test cases per day. If having the lengthy test cases, it will take 1 day, and it will sometime it will take also more than 1 day also. So these are your real time interview question. Okay, this is the
Okay.
because this thing will come when you will start to work and doing the practice on the framework. So framework I will also teach you soon. Okay, so don't worry about that. Then after in your this month I will complete your all Selenium syllabus. Then after that you can speak, means you can parallelly you can, if you will feel I'm very confident, then you can update your profile on your Naukri and you can try. you know so mostly repeated question, whatever the question I'm asking, they will repeat you. Okay, so some question I will ask you, what is collection and where you have used in your current project? What is collection and where you have used in your current project? Okay. Give the answer. Okay, whatever you have learned the collection and whatever you can give the answer. Okay, no problem. It will be incorrect, no
Like
problem.
I can only
Mhm.
say the what is the collection, but like
You
what is
can
the
tell.
use? Yeah, yeah.
If you will not tell,
I,
you are zero. If you will tell something, you have some possibility to get select, right? So
okay,
you have
I
to
just
speak, right?
okay,
Yeah.
okay, yeah. In Java, collection framework is a set of classes and interfaces that implement commonly reusable collection data structure.
Mm-hmm.
And like it works in a manner of a library.
Mm-hmm.
And the collection framework provides both interfaces and define various collection and classes that implements them.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Ankur, you can explain what is collection?
Uh, yeah,
Yes.
generally
Yes.
we use the collection to hold and transfer the object from one location to another location,
Mm-hmm.
and that's it.
No, 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 that
So
will not work. Okay, do one thing. No
I
problem.
have.
Okay, so yeah, no problem. Just whatever I'm teaching to you guys, just go through my notes today. What I have discussed. Okay, whatever you have missed it, just repeat my video. That topic you can
Okay.
pick and you can repeat a number of times. If someone will ask
Okay.
what is next time, what is collection, you have to
Mm-hmm.
explain very well. Means if you will miss one interview, you are not able to give that answer. Write all the questions and prepare well. So that thing I'm doing
Okay.
before going for your interview. Got
Okay.
it right? If you will get one opportunity, might we will get select for in only one interview, right? So what is the
Yeah.
collection? So collection, if you want to store multiple homogeneous heterogeneous object, okay, without size limitation. Okay, so this is called your collection. Collection is a big container which is
Mm.
used to store multiple homogeneous heterogeneous object without size limitation. In technical word, collection is an interface. So we have a sub interface of collection, list, set, and hash map is the separate. So apart from that, we having the, if we will go in the say list, so we have an implementation class of array list, linked list, right? If we will go in the set, we have implementation class of hash set. So we have a hierarchy of this collection. So in my current project, I have used in the collection for handling the dynamic window, handling the uh, dynamic table, handling the dynamic frame. So all the places for handling the multiple window I have used set. For handling the dynamic frame I have used list. So next question of the interviewer, you have to keep ready. Can you write a one piece of the code for handling multiple window? Okay, this they can ask the cross question. So you know that code, you are able to write this.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm not discussing more question today because the people are not there. So this few question I have discussed to you guys, and you can go through that recording. And first your first wake up, when you wake up from tomorrow you can start. When you wake up, start you tell me about yourself. Okay, so this is your first question. First impression is your last impression. I have seen the result, the people. Okay, uh, same, many my friend, because I have rejected in the many interview. Okay, when I have started, so I found the solution, and I have suggested to many of my friend. Just he followed me and getting the placed. Okay, what I'm telling to them, just he was following me and getting placed. One of the guy is having very good technically he was very good, but he doesn't have a confidence. When I asked the cross question, he was thinking, "Arey, why are you thinking? You are correct, right? Then why are you thinking? You have to explain. This is if interface definition. This is the interface definition. That's it." So confidence is also required. Okay, when you are will going for the interview. Okay, you guys. I think we have discussed many new question today. Then you can look into that and you can repeat, and you can do side by side practice for my notes for Java Selenium notes, whatever I have covered you. Okay, you guys can. Okay, so I'm going to a stop. Okay, so this is the very profitable for you. If you don't know the
Yeah.
things, you will learn. If you will learn, then before the interview, you are ready for everything. And almost repeated question. Okay, then we will
Okay.
meet on the next weekend. Okay, bye all
Okay.
of you.
Thanks,
Okay,
Mohit.
no problem.
Hi,
Yeah,
Ankur. Please share the video with me.
yeah,
Yeah,
it
sure.
will be automatically. You will